Welcome students, welcome to school mathematics. Today I have brought here algebra, okay, and its topic is H.C.F and L.C.M. It's for class 8 or basic level examination, okay. Topic is H.C.F and L.C.M, highest common factor and lowest common multiple. And first of all, I want to show you the question related to H.C.F. And the question goes like this. Here is the question. Okay. The first expression is given here 5a minus 15. Second expression is given here a square minus 9. And third expression is given here a square minus 11a plus 24. Here, in solution, first of all, write here first expression 5a minus 15. As we know that there are two terms, okay? And whenever you factorize the two terms, we have to check whether there is common or not, first of all, okay? And if not, then we have to see there another whether they are in the form of formula or not. Can we use the fact, there's no factorization by using the formula or not? That should be also checked here, okay? Now, and this is here in these two terms, there is 5 common. I have taken 5 common here. Then remaining in the bracket is there a and 5 3s are 15. That's why from this 15 3 is remaining there. These two are the factors of this expression. Now let's move to the next expression. This is the second expression, okay? And here there are also two terms, as I told you in previous expression. First of all, we have to check whether there is common or not. Okay, there is no common, but we have to check here whether they are in formula form or not. Yes, they are in formula form. First one you can express a square, and second term we can express in b square. That means 9 is the square of 3. Then it will be in a plus 3 and a minus 3. These two are the factors of this expression, okay? Because they are in the form of a square minus b square formula, so that a plus 3 into a minus 3, a plus 3 multiplied by a minus 3, okay? Now let's move to the next expression. This is third expression. There are 3 terms, okay? And in this case also we have to check first of all whether there is common or not, okay? We have to see here there are no common, okay? That's why we have to check the middle term and this last term one. Can we break the middle term? Yeah, we can break the middle term, but here is last one is plus. That's why we have to bring this 11 by adding, okay, the two terms. What are the two terms whose product is 24, multiplication is 24, and addition is 11? This addition is 11, okay? Those two terms are 8 and 3. When we multiply 8 and 3, it will come 24, because 8 3 is a 24, and when we add 8 and 3, it will give 11. That's why its middle term is broken by, okay, 8 plus 3. Now let's move to the next one. When you remove this bracket, we have to be careful here. Minus plus minus, and minus plus here also minus, okay? 8 into A, 8A, and 3 into A, 3A, okay? Then move to the next step. Here are 4 terms. Let's check the common from these first 2 terms and these last 2 terms. From the first 2 terms, there is A common. Then write here A minus 8. And from this last 2 terms, there is minus 3 common. Okay, here must be careful because we know that in this plus, okay, in this plus there are 2 minus, because minus into minus you have to, okay, check it. And because we are taking minus common, if you take minus 3 common, here is remaining A and here remains 1 minus and 8, because 3 8s are 24. Like this we have to factor this third expression, okay? And after this is the topic H.C.F. Means from this first expression, second expression, and this third expression, we have to see which factor is common. Here is A minus 3, here is also A minus 3, and here in third expression also A minus 3, because A, look, A minus 8, A minus 8 common here, then here remains A and here remains minus 3, put them also in bracket. Here in all these three expressions, A minus 3 is common. That's why, therefore, H.C.F equals to A minus 3. A minus 3 is the H.C.F for this question. I hope you understood it. Now let's move to the next question, which is related to L.C.M. Okay, see here, the question is given like this: find L.C.M. Okay, it is given first expression x square plus 10x plus 25, this is okay, x square plus 10x plus 25, and next expression is 2x square plus x means this 1x and minus 6. Then solution, okay, first expression right there, x square plus 10x plus 25, here are also 3 terms. See there whether there is common in all these 3 terms or not. Okay, of course there is no common in this all 3 terms, that's why we have to take this middle term. Okay, then let's do the middle term break. These 2 terms, okay, look, 5 into 5 is 25. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25, and 5 plus 5 is 10. Middle term, okay, has been broken like this. Okay, and then when you remove this bracket, plus 5 will multiply with x, this plus 5 also multiply with x, 5x plus 5x, and here is 25, and there are 4 terms. Then from these first 2 terms, x is common, then here will remain x plus 5, and from this last 2 term also there is plus 5 common, then here is remaining x and here is remaining plus 5. Then again, see there in this, okay, 2, okay, we have to see what is common, x plus 5, x plus 5 common, right, x plus 5, and from here remaining x and here remains 5, that's why its factorization will be x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Now let's see the next expression, second expression. Here we should be very careful. Look here, in this first term, okay, there is 2, and in this last term there is minus 6, okay, and middle there is 1, we have to break it this, okay, this all 3 term must be in descending order of their power. Okay, here is power 2, here is power 1, and here is also x, but this x has power 0. This 2 and minus 6 should be multiplied. Then look at these two numbers, look at 4 and 3 are the two numbers, okay, whose subtraction, look at this last term is minus, okay, here is negative. That's why we have to find this middle term by subtraction. 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, it comes 1. Their subtraction is 1, and their multiplication will come this 2 into minus 6, that is minus 12. Here, before this type of middle term break, we have to check. We have to multiply this first term's coefficient 2 and last term coefficient should be multiplied, okay? And that should be broken, that should be factorized, okay? 2 6 are 12, then 4 3s are also 12, 4 minus 3 is 1. Then when you remove this bracket, it will be 4 into x 4x and minus 3 into x minus 3x. Then there became 4 terms. Now take the common from these two terms, then you'll get like this. There is 2x common, and right here there is x plus 2 because 2 2s are 4, and from here minus 3 common. If you take minus 3 common, here remain x, and here remain, from this minus remain plus, because in this minus there is one plus and there is minus, okay? Minus common taken, then plus remains here, okay? Then x plus 2 is same factor here. Let's take common them. Then when you take x plus 2 common, here remain 2x minus 3. Then now while writing the answer of this LCM, we have to check from this first expression factorization and second expression factorization, is there common? If there is common, write common first, okay? Then common factors should be multiplied with the remaining factor. But there are no common factors, okay? That's why we have to just write here LCM, okay? LCM, because these all the factors are remaining factor now. X plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, x plus 5, and here remaining is x plus 2 and 2x minus 3, okay? These all are the remaining factor. This is the LCM for this question. Okay, children, I hope you understood it. Practice such question, okay, for the LCM and HCF. And today this much only. Keep practicing mathematics. Thank you very much.